Bomba me at gun. Hi, boy. Praise the blow. Hey, me head, me heart. Nearly load me heart. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, my viewers, my subscribers, them big up yourself. Thanks for tuning in to WahGwan Dalvy. Yes, so it's a rainy day today. As you can see, me have my umbrella out. So, you know, say rain a fall today and thing. Yeah, on the Portland side. Yeah, so I'll be linking up with one of my subscribers today, Natasha. So if you guys watch me on the live stream at night time, at daytime, you will know who Natasha is. Yes, you won't be seeing her on camera because she said she don't want to be on camera. Okay, and she's taking a strawberry fruit plant for me here. So she can want strawberry fruit for me. Yeah, the planting and not the fruit itself, you know. She give me a plant, so I give thanks, you know, until I reach there and pick it up. You guys just stay tuned, stay blessed. Remember, surround yourself with people and things that are good for you. And you guys can just follow me on this little walk down the hill. Yeah, the rain is not falling that much, but you don't know. You gotta keep the cover over your head. Yeah, so fully outside. Yeah, the rain come down back in the hills there. Yeah, showing what going around the place. Yeah, man, so it's raining today. Yeah, man. So we give thanks for the rain, and we do give thanks for the sun, you know. We gotta give thanks for everything on earth. Yeah, man. The good, the bad, the ugly, everything. Yeah, they all play a part. Alright, so big up, blessings to each and every one. Let's go and stay locked in and clocked in, and guess what, God? Oh my God. Ah, boy, I won't be driving. I won't be driving, yeah. So I'm not going to drive today because guess what going on now? My uncle, who is also a mechanic, but him not really do it much, but him can do some work same way. I have little tools and things, so I ask him to change the controller for me. Him get for change one, him change one on the right hand side and on the left hand side. Now when him for change that, there is a bolt where so hard to pull. So I have to get somebody to pull it for me. So we just end up leave it and thing, and said next day, which should be yesterday, would I get it pulled, but unfortunately, I'm not get it pulled as yet. Yeah, man. So, I'm not get it pulled, and even if me get it pulled, he wouldn't be able to work on it because it's raining a lot here. You know what I mean? But you don't know the thing, go. You have to do what you have to do. So, I'm gonna be grabbing a taxi, and I don't know if I go catch him taxi because him run taxi too. So, I grab a taxi and thing and dig. Yeah, man, and link up with Natasha. So y'all just stay tuned to the channel. Remember, like up the video. Yeah, that is it, man. Stay blessed. Yeah, so me have my eye on my banana. Yeah, man, cause you know nowadays why I'm not know what to people, you know, people them thief. Like and them have a race. You have a race with the thief them just for reap your own product. Yeah? Yeah, so see what going on there? Yeah, man, so carry up on 3-wheel right now, so now I can't drive because you don't get to pull off the next bolt to put it in the control arm. So all that go on, so I have to hold a taxi. So so I take off dog, you know. I made that still since they say it not so cold. You know, it's not so cold since rain and falling, it's not so cold. Alright, so outside, I go meet her at the gas station. It's about to change of plan. I go right above Bay Bridge, so go wait for her and thing and grab 2 jelly same way. I don't know anything. We're outside, so stay tuned. Girl, WahGwan, me a vlog, you know.
Which one of you're lucky? which one of the bridge? The first one or the second one?
The last one for reaching above beer.
The last one to reach in Buffy?
Yeah, for go I would stack housing scheme so.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Yeah. Don't make them let you have a wrong place, you know. I don't know which one are this bridge there. Right, which one man them a sell jelly, and there's some me I go there.
Right where them selling jelly?
Yeah.
Here? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Scheme gate. Is scheme gate?
Yeah man, yeah, alright, yeah.
Alright.
Ah, cool, yeah. Right, so jelly man. How much for your jelly? Much it? You look like you will give the man goods, you know. Yeah, tell me what you know. So when gone? Jelly man. No, they are him low and they are him stall. That's it. Yeah, what's that? Oh, see him. Bombard me at gun. Hi, boy. Raise up low, huh? Hey, me head, me heart. Me and the Lord, me hearted. Oh, God. Live bank camera, that one that get you know. One jelly. Much why price you jelly them?
As are you? $500.
As that me a $500. Oh God, yeah. Oh God. Yeah, the man. The man's a 500 in jelly. Wow, you chip up two to go. Yeah, so whoop the meat and then sitting in our jelly, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll get two jelly, you know. One chip off already. Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, then I off baby channel. We don't know anything go. One day we have a bingo. Yeah man, so I just buy two jelly and thing. They are wait for Natasha. Natasha can't reach yet. So I just buy two jelly and I go and wait. And thing. I'm going to start drink my one first. Oh no, that drink phone one first. I see you can't get reach now.
You bring strawberry in a box or something?
No, you're not. We're not put the van of black.
Stop, blah, here.
Yo, I put the hand on this area, man.
What get it?
Oh God. You know, say, after I bills cars, me a vlog, and then he might cost me. Oh God, rain. Rain is here. Alright, so. Yeah, man, so. First route this from morning. Yeah. Man say my charge me 5 bills for a jelly. As a me.
Which is right.
What you mean which is right?
Why not? You're a woman.
Maybe a 5 bills for jelly.
So hold on, you don't feel like man enough. So
Oh!
a man what?
Oh my God, yeah. Oh no, yeah, that's around there. Yeah, so that's a strawberry plant right there. Just receive it, you know. So that's a would be best feed. And things. So. One thing we do around here. Natasha, where you see how big up now? Natasha now show up on camera. Where you see how big up now?
No, I'm not coming on the camera.
We are big up.
Bro Shaka, Ric Flair, Alicia, Cena Fan, Martel.
Yeah.
Who else? Live, Love, Laugh TV. Me have to pick up Colors too, you know.
Yeah, man. One Colors Me
One
TV.
Colors Me TV on the app.
Yeah.
How much for your coconut, sir?
No, the vlogging. expensive more. So it's
Yeah.
500 for one.
My grandma go
Okay,
on.
so Raymond said 500 for his coconut,
So we have to
which
give
is
him.
a good price since Dalvy is paying for it. Right? Say no. Nothing is wrong for a woman to spend sometime because man has been spending. What is wrong with that, Dalvy?
Hallelujah, than the glory. Alright, we are gonna work with it. We are work with it.
Okay, so $500 a one.
$500 one. So when you want them we are buy, when I got them on the video, how much should them there?
150.
What you say? Oh, we are gonna buy more. She are gonna get two if you carry with her. You know want two jelly if you carry. Yeah, so we not gonna catch that one then, so that one then can't be for the camera price.
All the people know stuff at my stall, they come from Kingston.
Okay, whenever you guys coming from Kingston, I get a nice jerry right at the end of the bridge. The Buff Bay Bridge right here, so. Yeah, at the region of Buff Bay town there, so. On the right hand side. Right as a Raymond start. That is it. Yeah. Get your fresh jelly them, you know? Refreshing, you know? So, we just get two now. To Natasha carry. And then we're good to go. So. You want your own job, though? Let me see what I go on tonight. See. Yeah. See that's what I go on. Alright, so right now, as me always tell you now, I have to eat them part, yeah. Some people try it, but I have to eat this. I have to blow you while I go, so I have to put you on good for me. Just see what I can stop, tell the truth. Just see how true you see me.
Jelly tastes really good.
Yeah, can go on. You're not far up the valley. A spoon and a spoon in, you know. You know what I say, spoon and a spoon in.
Not one bit.
One state junior. Fully active in a taxi and one thing. Yeah, so I don't know. Catch back Philip again, so that good look and get front seat. Hey boy! Yeah. So after me up on the front seat, I don't know how me reach on the back seat. But anyway, how me reach on the back seat, somebody big like Natasha, you'd have to check in at the car, so me have to go on at the back cars, you see. So me small, so me end up on the back seat. You know, I did so happy when me catch back the same taxi when I go down with, go up back and get the front seat. Because I say, with all the bag and pan them, front seat would have be the ideal seat, but me end up have to grow on the back and thing. But you don't know the thing, I'm still enjoying my journey, you know, and thing. So, hope you guys enjoy this video to the fullest. And please remember, like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I do